What is a local food partnership? Local food partnerships bring together partners from a range of different sectors to help tackle social, economic and environmental issues, working together to ensure good food for all. Food partnerships work across sectors, bringing key people together to develop a vision for a more sustainable food future that's tailored to their local area and responds to its specific needs. They were pioneered in the UK by Sustainable Food Places, a UK-wide network that makes healthy and sustainable food a defining characteristic of where people live. In Cymru, there are 22 food partnerships, one in each local authority area, promoting innovation and best practice in healthy and sustainable food systems. Food Sense Wales supports and nurtures the food partnerships, bringing them together, providing leadership and opportunities for collaboration. Wales is proud to have bronze, silver and gold award-winning food partnerships, a testament to the hard work and collaboration happening across the country. Partnerships include public bodies such as health boards and local authorities, as well as citizens, voluntary organisations, charities, food businesses, retailers, wholesalers, growers and farmers. Local food partnerships in Wales are led by a coordinator and receive support from Welsh Government. Food partnerships take a systems approach. They address a range of different yet connected food issues and work together to achieve change. Issues like household food insecurity, ensuring access to healthy, nutritious food for all, and building resilient local supply chains that reduce carbon emissions, promote nature and support the local economy. But local food partnerships do much more than figure out solutions to complex problems. They drive change, inspire ideas, enable innovation, and empower communities to engage with good food-related activities, just like the ones happening here, and here, and here. Food Sense Wales believe that investment in connected and resilient local food systems builds and retains wealth in Wales, economically, environmentally and socially, and helps to promote collaboration and inclusivity. Local food partnerships are central to this vision and can help make real, positive change to communities across the whole of Wales. So what is the best thing about being part of a food partnership?
The people involved are really, really inspiring. We don't have to stay in systems that are producing unhealthy outcomes.
Everyone's impacted by food and life. Things in Cardiff would be different to things down Anglesey, but it's great to have that network of people that are all working towards the same goal.
It encourages people to think differently and work differently.
Really made me passionate about the power of being part of this social movement, seeing all the good work going on in the ground and being part of that change.
People working together and creating things that are more than the sum of its parts.
For me, it is ideas, I think, just hearing other organisations and their ideas and discovering we're all on this journey together. You can do more together than you can really apart.
Together, we can build a better, more sustainable food future for Wales.